Greetings and salutations. Today I'm going to work on this real quick. So I've been rocking these simulators for, well, since I've owned this truck, and these are aftermarket stainless steel simulators, and they came with the, actually these are not, these are factory off of 93. I had a 1993 dually crew cab. That's what I used to move to Nevada, and I took the simulators that are on here that had stainless steel caps, and they went with that truck. These are the simulators off that 93, and they have the factory caps, and these caps are retained with these little plastic lug nut covers that thread onto these double nut lug nuts, like so. The GMT 400 trucks, the 87 through 2000 body style. So I've had these caps laying around, and the chrome is pretty, I mean, it's pretty, the chrome's pretty bad on these. And I don't know if I have all the retainers, but they've been sitting around in my, I've been lugging these things around since I moved, right? Since I moved to Nevada in 2005. So they've been taking up space, and I finally went on eBay and I bought some of these lug nuts. Now later model trucks, they went the metric lug nut, and those won't work on these old square bodies. This is a 9/16, 18 threads per inch. And the difference between the factory, the stock lug nuts that came with this truck, is that you notice the lug nut is a lot shorter, and the taper is, I think, 60 degrees. And the taper on these is 45 degrees. Well, that won't work, Rick. Well, it really doesn't matter. Because these wheels are hub-centric, they're not lug-centric, meaning that the wheels fit over the hub, and that's what centers the wheel onto the hub. Same thing with the back. And these Steelies have this spring ring, or whatever, torque ring, whatever they call it. And these will work just fine. So those will go on here. I think they'll be fine. We'll find out. If the wheels fall off, then I'll just, take the cast off and revert back to this. I've been rolling like this since 2005. So it doesn't really matter. So great thing is I don't have to take the wheels off to do this. I can leave the wheels right on here and just do 4 at a time. I need to get out my torque wrench. Let's see what the torque spec for a 9/16 bolt is supposed to be. I'm gonna go to 130. I'm gonna move this car out of the way and I'm gonna do this 3 more times. Well, I think that's a little bit of an improvement over just the bare hubs. It would be even better if I could get my hands on some new caps. That would be divine. But they're kind of hard to come by right now. If you know where I can get my hands on some hubcaps for a GMT 400 series Chevrolet 1-ton dually. I can find them for 1 tons, just I haven't seen them for a 1-ton dually. If you know where I can find some, comment in the comment section. It would be greatly appreciated. But I don't see any point in putting a bunch of bling on this truck when the sun is doing that to my clear coat. Look at that. That is just... And I painted this hood. This is one of the last things I painted. I painted this hood the same time I painted the backs. And this piece is the oldest. I painted this in... Damn, when did I paint this? 2012? Same. Anyway, this red paint does not age well in extreme sun. And out here, as humid as it is, we got just fungus growing on my paint. Anyway, doesn't make any sense to, at this point, to spend a bunch of money on shiny bling. Plus I'm missing 4 of these little cap things. I'm pretty sure I can get those on eBay. I think I saw those. But these caps, the front ones I don't think I'll have a hard time finding, because they're the same for just a regular 1-ton. It's these back caps are going to be kind of tricky. If you didn't have any of this stuff, it would probably cost you, well, the simulators are probably going to cost you pretty close to $200. But if you buy simulators, especially aftermarket ones, they'll come with center caps. You won't have to deal with this. But if you wanted to put stock simulators on it, you need new caps. I don't know, probably $100 for the caps, probably another 30 or 40 bucks for the little cap retainers, the little plastic lug nut covers. And I think these lug nuts I got for like 40 bucks. If you already have the caps or have access to some, and you just wanted to convert a square body to a later model type hubcap setup, even if you just didn't have simulators, you just wanted steel wheels, those are the same caps. They'll work with steel wheels too. You can get them on eBay. I'm pretty sure you can get them on Amazon too. If I can find an Amazon link, I'll post them in the description. Click like, share, comment down in the comment section, subscribe, and click the bell icon and do all the things. If you shop on Amazon, check links in the description. If you want to throw me a couple of bucks, there's PayPal and Patreon if you want to support it on a monthly. Until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.